Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, looking at an alternative to water tubes. Snakegrass, or equisetum, is watertight. You can cut it just below any node and then fill it like a water tube, and it will hold enough water for a light drinking flower. So here, I just cut lots of different pieces of the equisetum. Then I can go in and add water. And then go back and add in flowers. Just giving it a cut and tucking it in place. Remembering which ones you added water to. That's always the challenge. No water, no flowers are going to live. But tucking them right in, and you have a natural water source as an alternative to water tubes.